Hey all, this is Saim, your Crypto CPA from the Lone Star State here at Akif CPA. Today, what I want to do is I want to talk to you in a little bit more detail about what a individual crypto tax amendment looks like. And what I've done is I've made a little diagram to show you what the original return was like, and then you're basically amending the original return, which is now it's going to be the 1040X that you're going to be sending along with the amended return. Well, first and foremost, why did you have to amend in the first place? It's entirely possible that you have just received records that you didn't have before, or you found out that when you were doing the wallet, when you were converting your crypto to crypto, you didn't realize that those are all taxable trades. And that is a big IRS gotcha. And we're going to have a whole series on that. So let's come on over and we'll discuss what the amendment looks like, so I can give you guys a visual. And then obviously there's going to be a lot of details and nuances. And for that, I need you to really read up in detail. But this should be a good framework for those who want to amend their own tax returns. All right, here we have the visual. We have the original amendment, which we no longer need, right? That's why I put an X to it. Then we have the new 1040. The new 1040 will comprise of either a new 8949 form, a new Schedule D, a new Schedule 1, and you could have possible K1 amendments that are bringing the crypto to you. But a simple one will have probably an 8949 form. Let me get my, here we go, where's my finger? An 8949 along with a Schedule D, and then you'll basically have the 1040X form that you see there. And the 1040X form will give all the explanations as to what happened and why you're amending it. And remember, if you are amending your personal tax returns for prior years, you certainly have a very important tool at your disposal. You can use the universal accounting method for years 2025 and prior, but 2025 and plus, it's all wallet based. That means FIFO, LIFO, HIFO, specific method, no problem. But at a minimum, your form 1040X, which is a summary form providing the explanation of what has been amended, all right? And along that, you're sending all the new 1040, the new 8949 form, the new Schedule D, the new Schedule 1, if applicable, new K1s, if you receive them. So, and those are the possible things that you're amending. And those all will then have a calculation, which will then all go and wrap up in your 1040X, because you could have either paid taxes in advance and you could be owed an additional refund, or you could be paying a lot more, and then you'll have penalties such as failure to file, failure to pay. It all depends on what those penalties are like. So guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, there we have it. A simple formula or method of amending your 1040 taxes and how all that plays out, basically. Here you have it. All right. Have an amazing journey, guys. Take care.